What is good? We are back. Before we get into today's video, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wash the car because clean car is the best car. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car real quick, make sure the car is clean. Then we're gonna show you what we're really gonna get into today. Okay, I like this car wash. I'm gonna tell you why. $1, it already starts the machine. That's pretty great. I've been on this deposit $2.50 and then you get 5 minutes. Cool. You deposit $1, you get about at least 3 minutes. So definitely being the odds here. The pressure is great. The fun's great. Like, this is just a one-stop shop. So I'm really loving this car wash. Yeah, we got everything that we need. I got my little work shoes on. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Got the little beater Nikes on. Trusty bucket. Soap. Something to dry my hands off with. And baby girl, so it's cool. We about to, let's go ahead and get it popping real quick. Alright, she's wiped down. Go ahead and give her a rinse. Yeah. I got 1/4 on me. I'm gonna make it last. Ooh, here we go. Just left the car wash. Whew. Feel like I take too much time, so we're gonna go ahead and get on to our next destination. Car is clean, looking good. I'm out here.
You ordered something, bro.
Order some shit.
Let's see what you ordered. Let's see.
What you see? Come on, man.
Are you excited? Did you forget to
Ooh.
unlock the damn door?
Yeah, go get that. Hurry up.
We got some boxes around here. What's this?
Okay. Let me just close this real quick. It's here.
Packages.
In the mail. It's
I
gone.
ordered it.
Bro. We're back. This should be good, so go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay. Little Chico. It just came in.
spot. I don't know what happened, but it was crazy.
What's the deal? Got a special guest. Y'all remember Omar. But anyways, right now we're gonna go ahead and get straight to the video real quick.
Special item for you guys here. This is the good old aluminum radiator that'll keep your car very cool, very chill, never hot. Just know that. Oh yeah. That thing is fire. Woo! Yeah. This right here, this is gonna make sure you don't overheat. All the other shit they've been telling y'all and selling y'all is lie. Don't buy it. Take it back. Not worth it. So this right here, this aluminum daddy right here, full temps, 24/7. Go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and check it out. Ooh-wee, bucko. This right here, where it's from. It's looking good, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Alright guys, so that's it for today. So far so good. It's a really nice product. Happy with shipping. It's really good. Go ahead, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and do an install video for this very soon. A few more things to go ahead and piece everything together for this little combo I got prepared for the MB. And then we're gonna go ahead and tackle that in another video.
Nasty ass. Gas. I bought a gasket like that. I need to buy this gasket for mine. The turbo. It came with this. With the hardware for the turbo.
Wow, Zeus got mail too. Damn.
Hell yeah.
Okay, Zeus.
You know what's up. We're really buying shit. We're really buying shit.
They really buy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're topping the tank.
Yep.
That's what it's roughly gonna look like, how the wastegate go. The turbo.
Boom. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are working on something, definitely keep working on it. We appreciate all the support and the love we've been getting. Stay tuned for our next video. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. We have a lot to show you guys. Don't want you guys to miss it.